Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to bed in your new brakes. So I've got my new brake discs put in, brake disc and pads. So the way you bed it in is you want to drive gently, very slowly, to let some of the material of the pads evenly wear onto the surface of the discs. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to drive, get up to 50 miles an hour, guys, and then slowly, ever so slightly, tap your brake slowly till you come to a gentle 10 miles an hour. Make sure you do it gently from 50 miles an hour to 10 miles an hour. So make sure there's no one behind you. Do it with a lot of space. Make sure you don't come to a full stop, because if you come to a full stop you will overheat your brakes, so don't do that. So go from 50 miles an hour to 10 miles an hour. Do that 3 times and then stop, and then have a bit of a cool down, just gently apply the brakes, drive normally, and do that again 50 miles an hour to 10 miles an hour. So do that 3 times, and yeah, you should bed in slowly and you should be okay, guys. So I did it a couple of times, I think it was about 5 times, and after that your brakes get a lot stronger and stronger and stronger. And yeah, that's how you bed your brakes in. Just make sure you do everything gently and take your time with it, and then you'll have very good brakes. You won't have any squeaking, and you'll have very strong brakes. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.